Okay, so it's morning from Osaka, just out the street here, little sort of back street. Just watched a young couple stagger home. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, so. Okay, today's coffee is UCC's Black. So this one's got a fair bit of English on it. So, wholly brewed, roasted, no added flavouring, unsweetened. So it should be a bit like the one we had in Nagoya. Okay, so let's give this a go. Okay. Yeah, so this tastes a lot like the drip coffee that I've been getting in the hotels. It's just a brewed coffee. Nothing that exciting really. But yeah, it's warm. It's definitely just coffee. And it's yeah. If you needed a coffee early in the morning, it's not too bad. See ya.